Hello students, let's start our work exercises. Write the chapter number, chapter name. Here you have to mention hard words. Our first option is sequence, second executing, third efficient, fourth tedious, fifth absolute, sixth truncating, seventh concatenating. Next exercise is multiple choice question. Dash functions help us to carry out mathematical operations. So here is very easy answer. Answer is mathematical string or conversion. First option is mathematical. Second is the conversion function help us to perform conversion operations on constant and dash. So the answer will be variable text or none of these variables. The ASC function returns the dash code of the given character. Which function returns the dash code of the given character? Dash code means ASCII code. Fourth one is dash function returns n number of characters from right side of the string. Let function, right function, len. Here is written right side of the string, it means the option will be right. Dash function returns a substring or a part of a string from any position. A part of a string. Substring or a part of a string means space, case or mid. It means a middle. This loop allows you to execute a part of a program a certain number of times. Which loop? For next, do or if go to. For next loop. Next exercise is fill in the blanks with appropriate word. First fill in the blanks is the output of print SGN minus 60 will be. What will be the answer minus 60? The sign SGN means it will indicate sign. So the answer is minus 1. We had discussed in class minus means it always return one value but with sign. If it is positive, it will show positive. It is negative, it will show negative. The dash function converts a string into a number. Which function? Val function. To get the corresponding character of given ASCII code, use the dash function, $$ function. The dash function will convert all the characters into a string to uppercase. Here is written uppercase, it means the function is UCase. $$ function. The dash function lets you print the specified number of spaces you want in a string. So here is written space. So the function name is space $$ function. The dash operator can concatenate strings. Who joins a string? Concatenate plus operator. So you have to write like this. True and false. First one is if a step is not given, then basic assume the increment by 5. No, it is false. Basic assumes increment by only 1 if a step is not given. The ASC function returns the ASCII code of the first letter of the string. Yes, it is true. ABS function returns the absolute value of a numeric expression. True. String functions work with characters. No, false. Lcase function converts all the characters in uppercase. No, false. There are 266 ASCII codes. False. 256. Value function is useful when you want to carry out mathematical operation with number. It is false. Str function returns the string value of a number. That is true. Here is match the column. SGN means it returns a value indicating the sign of a numeric expression. LCase means it converts all the characters in the string to lowercase. Right means it returns n number of characters from the right side of the string. Left means it returns n number of characters from the left side of the string. Mid means it returns a string or a part of a string from any position. Ucase means it converts all the characters in a string to uppercase. Cint, it rounds off a number to a nearest integer. ABS means it returns the absolute value of the number. So these all are exercises we had done. In next video we will continue question answer.